noteworthy, Nat Gas has dumped 6% pre-market. And I broke this on it's not actually a weekly, it's actually a monthly. I just want to show you something. So here is 2217. That is very, very tight. And it has basically rolled over. 1950 is going to be a good deal of support. If you're still short this Nat Gas complex, I wasn't sure if it was going to get supported here and start to move higher or go down to its measured move from this head and shoulders, which was my initial call, right? Big, beautiful intraday bearish engulfing, curved, gorgeous scoop, bounced and then trounced, 200-day snake squiggle, however you want to call it. This would have been really helpful for the bears to get and stay above 23 and move higher. In fact, we did the exact opposite and just dumped here. So here's the channel, 1950. We could have an overshoot to that 1839, which is the measured move. I keep watching for an end to this pullback, honestly. But for right now, this is clearly helping the bear case, and this measure move is still in play. So I would say that really, really strong support is 1950. Okay. 1950 for UNG. Measured move is still 1839. Nothing has changed. Doesn't mean it will get there, but that's, initially that's a good price target to shoot for. And then of course, if we get back inside this 2150, which is this trend line, just so you know, this is the monthly that I put on an intraday, just so you can see how it's been performing, right? Here's your 2217. Here's that trend line, and here's 1950. So if we were to get back in, it'd be like a slingshot higher. Otherwise, 1950 it's coming to a theater near you. Yeah, Nat Gas is still weak sauce. 1950 is a better little play as price target, I think, to cover than even 1839. I think 1839 might be too far. I still see this as going down and then popping up like a daisy. So that's where I'm at. The solid dump in Nat Gas. So it is continued. Look at the beautiful, beautiful red, red, red. But I said last week we could get to this 200 and turn higher. Next week will really be informative. And sure enough, we dumped. So that was actually a surprise how strong that was. But I still see, 1950 as some pretty solid support. And then once we get back above this level, very bullish. Just not there yet.